Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we are going to solve one of the most popular coding interview problem, that is maximum sub array problem. Okay, so imagine you have a list of number where some positive number, some negative number. So from that array you have to find out a contiguous sub array whose summation is greater than any other sub array from this list. Okay, so initially we try to solve this problem step by step using brute force approach and try to understand the logic clearly, and later on we will introduce another optimized approach, that is Kadane's algorithm, which time complexity will be big of n, and that is far better than brute force approach. So let's see with practical experience. Okay, so now we are going to practice maximum sub array. The problem category is medium, and given an integer array numbers, find the sub array with the largest sum and return its sum. So example 1, input will be this, it's a integer array, and from this array you have to find out a sub array whose summation is greater than any other sub array. So result will be 6. According to this array, the sub array will be from 4 to 1, this it will be a sub array and whose summation is 6, and this summation is greater than any other sub array. So now I will show you brute force approach and try to understand the logic first, and later on we will introduce another approach, that is Kadane's algorithm. Okay, so I just copy this input, I use one compiler, and I need to change the language, and yes, if I run it, hello world. So maximum sub array, so input is this. So according to their input, it's their sub array whose summation is equal sub array this, and output is 6. Okay, so I need, as it's a sub array, so I need first position and last position as well. So I need to declare start position. So start position initially start from 0, as I don't know where actually it will be the first position. So initially it value will be 0. So end position, definitely it will also start from 0. We don't know actually. So as it's a sub array, so I got start position and end position. So I need to sum this sub array. So that's why I need another variable, that is maximum sum. That initial value will be float and it will be smallest number. So for starting position I need to iterate this loop. So I use for loop in range and length will be numbers. Okay, so I is responsible for starting position, so I need another one, end position. So again I need to iterate range length that start from I, okay, and numbers. Okay, so here I actually update start position by I and end position that will be J. So now if I print here after inner iteration, so then start position and end position I will got. So if I run, then I will get start position 0, from 0 to 8, and next one is position 1 to 8. Why actually 1 and 0? Actually inner loop start from I. So first of all it start from here, and second time it start from here. So that's why our sub array will be start from 0 to 8, 1 to 8 to 2 to 8. Okay, so if I show you the sub array numbers, and that definitely will be like this. If I run, then yes, definitely I need to close. Okay, it's a sub array, another one like this. Okay, so now I need to sum this sub array. So here after starting position I need to declare a variable current sum that start from 0. Every starting position current sum start from 0 will be reset and 0, and here I need to sum current sum, like I need to sum this 2 3 4, and I need to check if the current sum is maximum is bigger than maximum sum, then it will be contiguous approach. Okay, so current number holds actually j, so it holds the current number and it holds the current sum. So here I need to check if current sum is greater than maximum sum, then maximum sum will be updated by current sum. Okay, at the same time start and end position will be updated. So now if I run this, so I will got our subarray. Actually their subarray. So I need another thing, that is maximum sum. So if I write maximum sum, then I will get, so our output exactly same with their output. So I need to check another one. So their output is 1, so just 1. If I run it, then I will get 1 and 1, that's similar with their output. Okay, if I got their example 3 value as a input, if I run it, then I will see this array and 23. So 23 will be output and their subarray will be exactly the main array. Okay, so we have done our job. So I will explain it. So before explanation, I just wrap this code inside the function. So function actually do a specific task, that's why I just wrap this code inside the function. So definition or body of function. So function will start from max sub array and it will be numbers, it received numbers. So function actually returns something, right? So return, and I just give one tab of indentation. Okay, done. So now it's a calling part. Okay, function calling. So function calling this function, I need to supply this input. So I supply this, send this input to here, and it will receive here and it will execute and something return. So this function return two things, one it's a sub array and another one is maximum sum. So sub array and maximum sum, these two variable holds these two things. So if I print what sub array and maximum sum, then I will get our desired result. Okay, so now I will explain it. Okay, so it's a big input, so it will be difficult to make you understand with big input. So I need another input which is smallest. So I make a array which will be look like this. Okay, so it's my array. So this it's an input array. So I will send this, and by calling this function I send this input and it will receive here. So here actually start and end position and maximum sum for every starting position and end position and every sub array summation. Every sub array starting position and end position it will holds, and every sub array summation it will holds this value, this variable. So it's a outer loop, it's responsible for starting position, and it's a inner loop that also responsible for end position. Okay, so start from 1. So 1, every starting position current sum I need to sum all the sub array, all the element. I need to sum all the element of the subarray. So that's why I need to declare some current sum variable which start from 0, and every starting position current sum start from 0. So and here actually I need to sum. So here I need to show something that will be easier to you to explain. It will be plus and numbers j and current plus numbers of j. So If I run it, then I will get, okay, I need to separate, what, separate inner loop, print. So if I run it, then I will get, it's a inner loop, first inner loop, second, third and fourth, fifth, like this way. Okay, so here I actually, what actually did here, what actually I do summation, this actually, this line is helpful for explanation, and this line I will explain. So that's why I need to write this, and it will be this. Okay, so if I run it now it's time to explain. So first time, initially it will be a first starting position. So starting position value is 1, and it actually current sum is 0. So 0 plus 1, that equal 1. So here this line actually did this, and here actually check current sum is 1 and maximum sum is infinite. So the condition is true, it's smaller than current sum, so that's why maximum sum will be updated and start and end position also updated. So next one is, now current sum is 1 and next value is 4. So 4 plus 1, that equal 5. So 5 is greater than 1, I mean previous maximum sum is 1, so definitely it's true. So this block of code will be execute. So next one is minus 7. Okay, so minus 7 plus 5, that equal minus 2, and that's why this block of, this statement actually return false, this block of code won't execute. So next one will be 3. So 3 plus previous current sum, that is minus 2. So after this calculation the result will be 1, and 1 is greater than 5, no, this block of code won't execute. And next one is 6. So 1 plus 6, that equal 7. So 7 is greater than 5, yes, definitely, and it's a return true, it actually return true, and this code will be executed. So now if after first iteration maximum sum, start position and end position and maximum sum, if I run it, then I will get here. So start position it's 0 and end position is 4, and this summation is equal 7. Maximum sum is equal 7. So now we move to the next one. So next one start from here, and this, it will be our next subarray. So 4 plus 0, I mean after now starting position sense, so current sum will be reset by 0. So 0 plus 4, and current item is 4, so 0 plus 4, that equal 4. Here again check, 4 is greater than 7, false, then this block of code won't execute. And again 7 minus 7 plus 4, then equal minus 3. So minus 3, actually this 7 we got previous iteration, after previous iteration. Okay, so so now 4 plus minus 7, that equal minus 3. So minus 3 is greater than 7, actually it's return false, so this block of code won't execute. Again plus 3 and minus 3 equal 0, so 0 is not greater than 7, again this block of code won't execute. And 0 plus 6, I mean previous current sum is 0 and now current value is 6. So 6 plus 0, that equal 6. 6 is greater than 7, no, false. So this second iteration has been finished. So now our previous, after first iteration, inner iteration, the result start position and end position and maximum sum as it is after second, after second inner loop. So now we move to the next, this will be the next subarray. So subarray minus 7 start, so current sum is 0, so 0 plus minus 7, that equal 7. This block of code won't execute because it's return, this block of code won't execute because it's a return false. So minus 7 plus 3, that equal minus 4. So again here again check, it return false, this block of code won't execute. And next one is 6, so 6 plus minus 4 plus 6, that equal 2. So 2 is greater than 7, no, false. So our starting end position and sum, maximum sum keep remaining previous one. So now subarray is this, so 3 plus 0, again 3 plus 0, that equal 3. Again if statement return false, so next one will be 3 plus 6, so that equal 9. This block of code will be execute. 9 is greater than 7, yes, So now maximum sum and start end position will be updated. Okay, so now current position and start position and end position will be changed. Okay, so and the maximum sum also changes. So now next sub array is only 6. So 6 plus 0, that equal 6. So 6 is greater than 9? No, return false. So our final result will be start position is 3, end position is 4, and the maximum sum is 9. So that's the method that I apply to solve this problem. I hope my explanation is very much clear. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt, feel free to comment in the comment box. I will be happy to reply. And yes, definitely subscribe this channel if you found this video helpful for you. And yes, next video will be another approach that is far better than this approach. I mean, the next approach will be Kadane's algorithm, and it was actually brute force approach. Okay, so its time complexity is big O of n square. Look here, we used to loop, I mean nested loop also. So it's n, it's also n. So its time complexity will be big O of n square. So in next video we will show another approach that is big O, that will be big O of n. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.